Hello friends, this is Yaswant Rajput and again I have come up with another video, and in this video it is going to be very helpful for you, and just it takes 2 or 3 minutes, and in these 2 or 3 minutes you will be able to know all about those words which is very important during this festival season, because whenever we speak each other we don't know the particular vocabulary in English, that how to speak, how to use that particular term in English. So these are going to be very helpful for you, and all kinds of problems you face related to vocabulary on this particular festival, I think that will be also solved. So first of all, happy Diwali, and may this Diwali be free from darkness and abundant with light. So this is the message to all of you, and let's start with the first word, because it is not going to be a long video, just it takes 3 or 4 minutes, or I think less than this also. So first meaning is Lord Rama. As we know that this festival is celebrated on the occasion when the Lord Rama came from 14 years exile to the Ayodhya. So on the returning of Lord Rama from exile to Ayodhya, and it is celebrated on the occasion of that. So first meaning is Lord Rama, that is Bhagwan Ram. In this video I am going to use some Hindi words also, because I have to tell you, because I am translating those English words into Hindi. Second word is Goddess Lakshmi. Yeah, obviously it is also very important term which is used, and the meaning is this, that Mata Lakshmi. Deity, whenever we talk about all goddess or god equally, then we use the words deity, it means Devi Devta. Exile, as I have already told you, that those 14 years terms of Bhagwan Ram or Lord Rama in forest. So I think that is the meaning of exile, that Vanvas. The next one is camphor. It is very important during the worshipping of God or offerings. So it is Kapoor, cotton wick, ruई की बाती, and vermilion. Vermilion means sindoor. It is also very important. Sacred thread. Sacred thread means kalaba और धागा. worship plate, पूजा की थाली. brass bell, पीतल की घंटी. urn, कलश. incense sticks, obviously we know, we are very familiar with these words, because without incense sticks we will not be able to offer the offerings to the god or goddess. So it is agarbatti. And rangoli, we all know about it, because in English and Hindi both are the same. Betel nut, supari. Sugar candy, batase or parched paddy, khile. These two are the things which we distribute each other on this particular festive season. Sacred fire, havan, we know all about this, because without this the puja will be not completed. Matchsticks, matches ki tili. Offerings, prasad, we all know. Holy water, Ganga Jal. So these are the 20 words which is related to worships or God, but now we have to talk about some other words, other terms which is very relevant on this particular season, because without those words related to crackers, so let's start those particular words also, and let's know that how many types of crackers we use, but we don't know that particular meaning of those words in English. So let's start and solve those problems. Crackers. Crackers means patake. Green cracker bomb, we know a Sutli bomb it is called. Sparkler, Fuljadi. Ground spinner, Chakri, which is used especially by children. Roll cap or popping strip, Chitpiti. Fountain cracker. Fountain cracker means अनार. Fuse, पटाखे की बाती. Light up, जलाना. Light up, जलाना. Flame, ज्वाला. Green crackers, environment friendly crackers. And I also expect from your side that please guys try to use more and more green crackers, which is going to be helpful, or we will be able to contribute something to remove the pollutions and reduce the pollutions. Pomp and sew, it is a very very special words, because whenever we use this word, it means that we are celebrating this त्यौहार with a very धूम धाम. It means gusto, उत्साह. Frill, it is a decorative words. Frill means jhalar, and whitewash, putai. This is the festival on which we whitewash our houses and walls. So I think this is also the very important term. Festive atmosphere, त्योहारों का माहौल. Offer the prayer, प्रार्थना या पूजा करना. Offer the offerings, प्रसाद चढ़ाना. Wust, फोड़ना. फोड़ना in the sense that wust the crackers means पटाखे फोड़ना. And at last, sweets means मिठाइयाँ. So these are some words, and these are very important, I think. So again, happy Diwali for all, and I wish that you will celebrate it environment friendly. Thank you guys in this video. This is the thing that I want to share with you. Bye bye.